Hello viewers, today I have lots of surprises. So let's start with the egg surprise. Here you can see this is a Japanese egg with the Thomas and Friends toy trains. Here comes James number 5 in a very festive look. Now you can see James in a party hat. So let's put James like this. Here comes Mac of Disney Cars. Look how Mac looks here. Does it look like Mac in this space? Hello viewers, today we have lots of wooden tracks and some wooden engines. Even the excavator Alfie is also going to try here. You already saw that. And we're going to try with Alfie more. And this is the time for lady. Let's go ahead and try this wooden lady on this wooden track. Look how lady is ready to go. Now we have Soder Scrape Lorry. We're going to try to see how this lorry performs here. Let me show you the lorry from all sides. This is pretty awesome. It has a space, you can put some stuff, scrap here, lots of scrap here. This time we are trying with Soder Fire Department. So it's a fire truck, you can see it's a red in color. And it also says on the bottom. Let me show you something interesting. You can see how this Soder fire truck has a hole and it can hold this huge crane, and it has magnet to hold the other wooden trains with magnet. But we're definitely not trying to make him race with all this crane. Oh, he got stuck here, but that's okay. He came up to this, which is cool too. And here is a wooden but regular cool train. So let's go ahead and see how it works. And here is a Brio train. Let's see how this Brio train works on the track. Alfie came up to this with this excavating tools, but that's okay. At least he came this much. Now we are gonna try with Soder Scrape track with another wooden engine. So let's go ahead and see how they perform. They came up to here, which is cool. At least it didn't drop the train. Alright viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment how did you guys like it, and what is your favorite out of all you have seen here, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.